Now our next topic is the equal chord and their distance from the center. So students, you have already know the equal chord and the distance from the center. Suppose the line here the line is AB is a line and it's divided into four parts: L1, L2, L3, L4, and M is the perpendicular bisector of line AB. And here the P is a point and the line joined with the points, so PL1, PL2, PM, PL3 and the PL4. So these are called the line segments. So now, and this line segment will be the equal distance. So now let's we start. The length of a perpendicular from a point to a line is the distance of the line from the point. So, here the AB is a line segment and P be any point. So since a line has infinite number of points, in this line AB has an infinite number of points. So by the joining these point on the point to P, so we get infinite line segment. That is called the line segment PL1. This is a first line segment. PL2, PL2, PM, PL3, PL4. So these are called the line segment. Out of these line segment, the perpendicular from P to AB, P to AB is PM, will be the least length. This length PM is the least length, and this least length PM will be the distance of AB. AB from the point of P. So this perpendicular distance PM is called the called the distance of AB from the point P. Now here we given some important point. If the remember the important point, if the point lie on the line, so then the distance of the line from the point is 0. Here, so now in this condition apply from the point, but equal chord and their distance from the center. So how can apply in a circle? So we know that a circle can have infinitely many chords, and we have observed why the drawing chords in a circle. So then longer chord is nearer to the center. Longer chord is nearer the center than the smaller chord. So we can also observe this by drawing several chords of a circle of different length and the measuring their distance from the center. So the longest chord of a circle is the diameter, whose distance from the center is 0. The distance from the center, distance from the center of diameter is 0, because the center lie on it. The center is lie on it. Here we draw a circle. Suppose here we draw a circle, and this is a diameter and this is a center. So the distance of this chord, this line will be called the diameter. So diameter whose distance from the center is 0, because the center is lie on it. Center is lie on it. So there is some relationship between the equal chords and the distance from the center, which is given below, which is the related for the different theorems. So now let's we start the theorems for this related topic.